Did you know that you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to start making money online? In fact, there are 3 easy skills you can learn right now that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month, even as a beginner. Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly what these skills are, how to learn them, and where to find high-paying opportunities. Let's dive in. The first skill you need to master is web development. With businesses moving online, the demand for skilled developers who can build and maintain websites is higher than ever. Here's how you can make money with web development. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Build websites for small businesses. Partner with local businesses to create or revamp their websites. Sell templates or plugins. Create and sell pre-made website templates or plugins on marketplaces like ThemeForest or CodeCanyon. The average web developer earns between $30 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn web development free resources. YouTube channels like Traversy Media or Academind offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses, check out platforms like Udemy, the Web Developer Bootcamp, or Codecademy, Full Stack Engineer Career Path. Practice tools. Use free tools like Visual Studio Code or GitHub to build and showcase your projects. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork. Great for finding freelance web development gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable website building services. TopTal, ideal for high-paying specialized projects. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is graphic design. With businesses and creators needing eye-catching visuals for their brands, graphic designers are in high demand. Here's how you can make money with graphic design. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Sell digital products. Create and sell templates, logos, or social media kits on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. Work with brands, partner with small businesses or influencers to design their branding materials. The average graphic designer earns between $25 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn graphic design. Free resources. YouTube channels like The Future or Will Patterson offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses, check out platforms like Skillshare, Graphic Design Basics, or Udemy, Adobe Illustrator for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or GIMP to get started. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance graphic design gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable design services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is video editing. With video content dominating the internet, businesses and creators are willing to pay top dollar for skilled editors who can create professional quality videos. Here's how you can make money with video editing. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance. Work with content creators, partner with YouTubers, podcasters, or influencers who need help editing their videos. Sell templates or effects. Create and sell pre-made video templates or effects on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The average video editor earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn video editing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Premiere Gal or Peter McKinnon offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, or Udemy, video editing for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance video editing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable editing services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations. You now know 3 easy online skills that can help you start making money today: web development, graphic design, and video editing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small. Focus on one skill and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.